Hi, Tom Baxter here, Baxter PT on Instagram. We're with Jesse Minty at the Healthy Transformation or the Healthy T. We're going to go through a pretty killer chest workout, and essentially there's a lot of people who go, I got to do dumbbells, I got to do bench press to develop a good chest. And yes, you need some strength in there, but it doesn't have to be bench. It doesn't have to be just dumbbells. If you want to create a good chest, there's got to be a ton of different motions and mobilities in there. So this one is just solely body weight. I usually do something like this once a week and throw it into my program. So I'll break down those movements for you as we kind of go through this a bit. Hope you enjoy it. So this first one is a diamond shape with the hands, one leg up in the air, trying to create a bit of a diagonal body there. Chest comes down towards the hands and you're going to create that upper chest and anterior deltoids pump. Then we're going to take it into a super wide grip and we're moving from side to side. So some people do this on a pull-up bar where you're bringing your body up towards one hand. Well, this is the same concept but going down towards the ground, and then transfer your body in a low position, push up out, and then into the other side and transfer your body down. And keep going through till fail on these movements. After that, chest is going to be a bit pumped. We're then going to bring the hands in a bit after a short break, and we're going to crack out as many clap push-ups as possible, okay, till violational fatigue again. Then we're going to open up the hands back up and going in a slow eccentric phase, so lowering phase, and just cracking out as many wide push-ups, nice and slow. Then we gradually bring the hands in line with our shoulders, as many as we can do. And then finally, bringing the hands in nice and tight to really blast out that close grip push and activate the triceps and whatever's left in that chest to just really tear all those micro tears to create that growth and repair, guys. And that's how we get this chest pump. All right, so hope you enjoyed that one. If you haven't tried it, please do, and we'd love to hear your comments. It doesn't matter if you're getting 5, 15, or 50 repetitions, guys. I've just consistently done this similar routine once a week, and honestly, you will add reps, you will gain strength, and you will create that nice shape on those pecs. So stay consistent, stay true to the game, and we want to hear what you're doing and how it's going for you. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for joining us.